another video, and Noah became champion in push bike. And Mori is the video is outside now. Yeah.
Okay na po.
6-year-old. Racers ready?
Gosh.
Music please.
The champion. Look.
Batch 2 to the starting gate. Batch 2. Wait po muna. Wala po muna lalabas na batch 1. Wala po muna lalabas na batch 1. Wala po lalabas sa batch 1.
Ang pasok po sa batch 1, 928, 1110, 114 at 1109. The rest po, pwede na po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, 928, 1110, 114 and 1109. Top 4 ng first batch.
Wait lang po natakbo pa ang ating batch 2. Marshals, ano po, finisher's medal para po dun sa mga batch 1. Finisher's medal po.
Just wait for me. The actual
Angel, finisher's medal please.
Can you believe this is like? You guys so hot.
Batch 1, get your finisher's medal. Batch 1. Batch 1, get your finisher's medal.
What is that? What is it?
Mabigyan din po yung batch 2 ng finisher's medal.
Wala pa
I
yung
don't know
batch
if you
2.
can see it.
Yung batch 2 din. Batch 2. Razors ready? Music please.
Is this Monster? Or maybe Star? Let's just stay here because it's like we're getting sorry. Yeah.
Again, magpasok po sa finals, number 928, 1110, 114 and 1109.
6-year-olds, to the starting gate. 6-year-olds.
Wow. They're powerful. Look guys. I don't know if you can see but they're so powerful.
Again po, next race po natin, Series 2. Bawal po ang on-site registration.
Series 2, no walk-ins na po tayo. No walk-ins na po tayo.
Zoe. The girl. The purple one.
No walk-ins for Series 2. Again, maraming salamat.
Go
SMC,
away.
Marilao,
Oh.
Crispy Crew, maraming salamat din po.
Ben.
ASCII, please begin the bike vlog.
ASCII for our starting gate.
Inside po, Arena Kids.
Living Man's Bike Academy, Trio Customs, Moto Class.
And of course, AB, Sarah, thank you so much. Cisco and TTBA, thank you so much. Theo Custom.
Ha.
Sa lahat ng gusto magpakabent ng solar panel, contact AB. Yeah.
It's the tournament. And Noah got champion.
Pasok po sa second batch, number 524, 215, 522, and 516. Ito ang pasok po sa finals, 524, 215, 522, and 516.
Pakilang round na lang 6-year-old.
Guys.
6-year-olds for your fourth round. Wait lang daw po, wait lang.
Guys.
Again, 6-year-olds po.
Liam is
6-year-olds for
wow.
the story bit, please. Let's go, let's go. For your fourth round, music please.
Guys, the 6-year-olds. Look at Rix. Look. Gosh, look at the white helmet guy. Why is he always resting, guys?
Marshals.
Take the last round.
1 round pa for the 6-year-olds.
But if you don't know where this is, SM ball. SM Maryland.
Ang pasok po sa finals for the 5-year-old category. Number 98,
It's no-
Noah. Number 1110,
Lol.
Uno. Number 114, Luna. Number 1109, Althea. Number 524, Kyler.
Pabi.
Number 215, Primo. Number 522, Zoe. And number 516, Sam. Kayo po ang pasok sa finals. Bunot na po kayo. Ate, pabunutin niyo lang po muna
Noah in the
sila.
finals.
Sila po muna bago yung 6-year-old. Nakabunot na? Okay. To the side you please.
Guys, Noah and Zoe is in the finals.
Ah, wala pa po yung iba. Dito yung mga pabunot. Ate, ate, pakikuha po muna lahat ng number.
Is Noah in the finals?
You'll compete with the fastest kids of 5 years
Pakikuha po
old.
muna lahat ng number.
Zoe,
Pakitandaan po yung number niyo.
I hope na hindi in the top 3 eh. Kasi fast na yung mga kalaban.
Yes, bubunot po kayo, bubunot.
Six? Is he gonna go against six?
No, Rix is Rix.
Sa lahat po ng kids, kung wala pang donut, get your kids to see donut here po sa ating registration booth. Please get your
Did you get donut?
donut as well. Then, our finalists for the 5-year-old
Marshals.
category, number 928, number 110, 114, 1109, 524, 215, 522, and 516.
Guys,
tira.
You must stop it your video.
I'm not done.
Are we good?
Almost the finals. I wish you could do
Later na po ang ating awarding po sabay-sabay na po natin. After this, yung ating 3 to 4 open small girls and 5 to open big girls. Eight na. Five-year-olds, this is your finals 3 rounds. Racers ready? Music please.
Oh, it's not there.
Race natin. 6-year-olds.
Oh, not yet. Third.
Tired na si Noah.
What?
Tired na.
Where's Noah? Oh, there's Noah. Oh no, it's not first place anymore. Why? Noah, go! Go, Noah! Oh, we're taking. Okay. Go, Noah! Noah!
Luna, takbo! Leia! They're so cute. Ay, baka matama na makagsak. Mami, i-shot mo ulit sila dito pag natin. Dito ka lang po. Kita ni Noah.